Hey guys, it's Michael here from FlySight. In this series of videos, we're going to analyze a wingsuit flare executed by FlySight user Tomic. Our goal is to get an idea of what he can try in order to improve his flare height. The first thing we need is a way of measuring flare height. To do this, we're going to use the maximum flare scoring tool. Let's jump straight into FlySight Viewer and see what this looks like. First, we need to load Tomic's track. Then we'll zoom into the freefall portion of the jump. We'll start just before exit and finish just after the flare. Now we bring up the scoring view and change to the maximum flare scoring method. To get a valid score, we need to provide two pieces of information. First, we need to provide the exit time, and second, we need to provide the cutoff altitude where we'll stop looking for a flare. In this case, it looks like FlySight Viewer has picked the exit really well. We see a little increase in horizontal speed as Tomic pushes away from the cliff, and then it flattens out for the first few seconds of the jump before he's built enough airspeed to use his wingsuit. Time is 0 right where his feet leave the cliff. The default cutoff altitude is 2,000 meters above ground. In this case, the whole jump is below that altitude. If we move the cursor to the bottom of Tomic's flare, we can see that he dips down to about 118 meters. So let's enter 117 meters as the cutoff altitude. Hit enter, and the plot should update. In the plot view, we see a white bar showing the span of time from the bottom of the flare to the top. In the scoring view, we see that the total elevation gain in this case is about 62 meters. Okay, we've done two things in this video. First, we've measured the height of Tomic's actual flare on this jump. More importantly, we've defined a scoring method which could be used to score any jump. In this case, the scoring tool will start at exit and go down to 117 meters above landing. Once the jumper goes below 117 meters, scoring stops. Later on, this will prevent the optimizer from considering flight paths which go below 117 meters. We're assuming there's a physical reason why Tomic stopped his dive at 117 meters, like maybe the terrain was coming up. So this will help make sure that the optimizer isn't doing something Tomic can't. Next time, we'll take a look at the drag polar plot for Tomic's flight. This will give us a fingerprint for his wingsuit, which we can feed into the optimizer later. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.